In the lab they start to test the cure. Volunteers come through the door. We need to know it's safe and pure. This process ain't no bore. Stage is set for each milestone clear. First we test on cells in line, then animals to see if we're near a breakthrough sign. A breakthrough sign.